उतरता है जब लेके गदाधारी बल्ला महाबली बलशाली क्रिस गेल तो सब रिकॉर्ड टूट जाते हैं। बॉलरों की ऐसी तैसी हो जाती है गुरु, और चीयर लीडर्स के भी पसीने छूट जाते हैं।
पाजी, can you please this poetry in English? Can you please repeat?
No, you are the translator.
No, I can't.
Huh?
I'm dead. Actually, Chris, I can only speak 35% English.
Just 2% more than me.
37%.
Yeah.
अच्छा देखो पाजी कितने लंबे चौड़े इस सीजन में भी आदमी इतने लंबे लंबे आ रहे हैं। इनका हाथ देखो। Show your hand. It's so healthy. Also wealthy.
And wealthy.
Also. So you don't need to bat, bro. You just play with your hands like sex.
Table tennis racket.
Yes.
It's like a racket.
पाजी जब हमारे घरों में इतने लंबे लंबे बच्चे हो ना इंडिया में, तो माएं बड़े अजीब अजीब काम लगाती। चल बेटा जाके पंखा साफ कर दे, जाले निकाल दे। Have ever your parents asked to clean the fan because you are so long?
Yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes?
Yeah, sometimes.
Okay, so same in India, same in West Indies.
Good reach.
It's pleasure to have you on our show.
Yeah. And it's an absolute pleasure being here as well. And we're looking to have some fun. I'm absolutely delighted to be
Thank
here.
you.
Thank you.
As he said, he's great fan of our show.
Yeah.
जैसे कि उन्होंने कहा कि हमारा शो बहुत देखते हैं, कई बार तो मैच खेलना भी मिस कर देते हैं। Thank you. Okay, Chris, I have seen all your matches. You normally, if you hit the ball,
Yeah.
it goes out of boundary and you get 6 runs.
Yeah.
But when you hit, like ball is out of country, I mean stadium, out of stadium, out of city. पता है जब ये खेलते हैं ना स्टेडियम में, वानखेड़े में खेलते थे, तो सामने मरीन ड्राइव पे लोग सैर नहीं करते, पता नहीं बॉल कब आगे लग जाए। You know, there is a place called Bandstand, and one romantic couple was about to kiss each other, and they got hurt on the lips because of your ball.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for that.
No, you keep doing. We love you. We're so proud of you. अच्छा, नॉर्मल जो खिलाड़ी होते हैं, जिस हाथ से बैटिंग करते हैं, उसी हाथ से बॉलिंग करते हैं। Can you hit a big 6, the same 6 from your right hand also?
Oh, yeah, for sure. With one-handed?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I can.
Yeah, you can. I don't have doubt. I don't have any doubt, man. We just want to see how you handle this bat.
This is a weapon.
And you play with one hand only, single hand only.
Oh, single-handed.
Give me the ball.
No, this is scary when you face a non-cricketer. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Where you want me? This end?
Whatever.
I won't do any damages.
Now hit 6, bro.
Hey! That's a good one. I wasn't expecting that one.
You can't hit a 6 when ball is ringing like a cockroach. Okay.
What do you call that delivery?
Okay, sorry.
Trevor Chappell.
Yeah. Want me to bowl to you?
Bouncer.
Clean.
Oh, sixer! Udar! Ball is missing, my friends. Thank you, Chris. Come. पाजी इनके हाथ में थापी लग रही कपड़े धोने वाली। You know what is thapi?
No, what's tappy?
Okay, I will show you.
Yeah.
It's same like the bat. Oh, can I have thapi? I want to see you eat this thapi in your hand. Actually, I will brief you about this. You take this.
It's like gonna beat me.
No. Okay. This is called thapi. It's an Indian washing machine. Mothers wash clothes with them. Big sari, uthal-puthal, thap. Water, soap. Naliyan, enjoy.
So that's a tappy.
Yeah, this is called thapi.
Tappy.
Yeah, in Indian ladies sit like this, big clothes. thapa thap, and clean all the dust.
Yeah?
And yeah, and the one thing is more, this is also used for their kids. Because kids play cricket with this in the local streets. And let me hold my breath. I'm speaking so much English in bulk. I've never spoken so much English in last 30 years.
Jeez.
Okay, just take me breathe and let me make the other sentence. Yeah, and mothers also use this happy to punish their kids.
Yeah?
You know, they don't call 911 like in America.
What did
In India, if you don't beat your kid, you are not certified parents. I mean, am I right, Paji?
ठीक है बिल्कुल ठीक है
So in our India, हम लोग अपने मोहल्ले में खेलते हैं जैसे क्रिकेट बच्चे कि जिसका बैट हुआ उसी की ओपनिंग वही ओपनर होगा
तेरे काम
वो
पर
मैच जब मर्जी बंद कर सकता है उसकी माँ जब आगे गालियां देते हुए मैच खल्लास So in India, if we are kids, there are lots of kids in India, actually more than all over the world. We have produced 150 crores. They are very shy people, Indian are, but not in their home.
Not at all.
So I just want to know, in West Indies, is the same procedure?
It's the same procedure. Honestly, it's similar. I swear to you, it's similar. But sometimes we get... But sometimes, when you misbehave, we don't call 911. We get mapstick. Sometimes we don't get a tappy.
Okay.
Whatever, with the broomstick, the mom reach a broomstick,
Okay.
she's going to use the broomstick.
So ये भी झाड़ू खा के बड़े हुए हैं. So mothers are always same.
Yeah.
Whether they are in India or they are in West Indies. Happy Mother's Day. अच्छा हमने बचपन में गलियों में क्रिकेट खेलते ना पड़ोसियों की खिड़कियां बड़ी तोड़ी हैं.
हाँ
तो ये बंदा तो सीधे हेलीकॉप्टर तोड़ता होगा मेरे ख्याल से. Chris, have you ever broken any helicopter's window because you hit long six?
Not so far, not so far, not so far.
क्रिस के साथ हम और भी बातें करेंगे जितनी कर सकेंगे. So फिलहाल मैं क्रिस को इनवाइट करना चाहता हूँ सोफे की तरफ. मतलब क्रिस प्लीज हैव अ सीट.
Okay, thank you.
इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम में विराट कोहली इनके बड़े अच्छे दोस्त हैं. ये एक ही टीम की तरफ से खेलते हैं, बैंगलोर की तरफ से, और दोनों साथ में घूमते हैं, पार्टी करते हैं. दोनों हिटर भी बड़े जबरदस्त हैं, विराट कोहली भी. सो यू आर विराट्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड.
Yeah.
So you only love those people who are like you only, who misbehave with bowlers like this and this. Virat and you.
Yeah, when the force join, it's even more dangerous, you know. So.
कि दो शक्तिशाली लोग मिल जाते हैं तो और भी मजा आता है गेम देखने. So you and Virat spent a lot of time together.
Yeah.
So ever happened that some girl fan has come to Virat and you ask him to introduce to her, or has Virat said same to you that Chris, your fan is so beautiful, please introduce me to her?
No, he didn't. He wouldn't say that. You know, he would play a bit Mr. Nice Guy and shy away from it. So I'll be more bold in that scenario.
तो इनका कहना है कि मैं थोड़ा ज्यादा हूँ, थोड़ा और यही कहना कि मैं गलत.
मैं बहादुर हूँ.
जैसा कि इन्होंने कहा कि विराट से ज्यादा ये हमारे शो को पसंद करते हैं. थैंक यू.